Hello, I'm W.P. Suazo, and I'm here to talk to you about compounding. Compounding interest. When we hear people in advertisements give an interest rate, say for example, 7%, they say 7%, but what they mean is 1.07. And what that means is 1 represents the whole or the starting amount plus the rate of growth. So if we were, say, going to have 3% for 4 years, or 3% compounded 4 times, we have 1.03 times 1.03 times 1.03, 4 of them. Now, what does this give us? This gives us the factor, the growth factor. What do I mean by factor? For example, if a light sports car is destroyed in a car accident, the officials will say, despite the sports car being very light, the speed caused the force of the crash, or the small weight of the sports car to be multiplied by a factor. They talk about factor. So instead of writing out 1.03, 3 being your interest rate or your growth rate, it's convenient to write 1.03 to the 4th power. That's 1.03 to the 4th power. That means 4 of them. 1.03, 4 of them, just like I have written here. And what that works out to be is 1.11255. It works out to be 1.11255. Okay, if we up the growth rate, if we want to say 5% for 4 periods, how is that done? Well, we could go ahead and write 4 of them, if that's more intuitive, or we could just use the exponent shorthand. So 5%. So you hope to get back everything you started with and a bonus 5%. So that's how 5% is written in a decimal, and 4 of them. And after doing the math, that works out to be 1.2155, I believe. So 1.05 to the 4th power. And this is how amounts compound. You know, if I open this up again, it's 1.05 times 1.05. However much that is, and then that's multiplied again by 1.05. And whatever those 3 1.05s multiply out to be, times it again by the 4th 1.05. Hence the word compounding. Thanks for listening.